Hi, Scott Scales. How are you?
I'm doing
We're
awesome, Faith. Thank you very much.
Oh, well, I want to thank you. Well, first of all, I want to welcome everyone to my blog, The New Future of Network Marketing. Thank you for coming to the blog. You'll either see this video, maybe in an email or on our blog as well. And I want to thank you for coming here. And Scott, I want to thank you for taking the time out of your very busy schedule to do this interview. Well, we're here to talk about Talk Fusion. All right. That sounds like a cool name, doesn't it? Talk Fusion. Well, to be honest, I've been very skeptical about video email or any kind of company with a series of products with video, because I haven't seen a lot of good stuff out there that really delivered the goods. But what impressed me, Scott, and by the way, just for our audience or people that know me as well, the way I know Scott is through a mutual friend. These guys are bloggers. Isn't that cool? And they know their stuff when it comes to online marketing. But I want to let the audience know right now that if you're just a consumer or someone who's never really done much with online marketing, this is a great tool. But I was skeptical to start out with. And again, Carrie, our mutual friend, mentioned that it was video email. And at first I was like, okay, that's okay. But I was really impressed with Carrie as a person. And then, Scott, I met you, and we just clicked, didn't we? It was like, boom. And so, Scott, what I'd like you to do for our audience is to share a little bit about you and your background and what attracted you to Talk Fusion, and then talk a little bit about some of the benefits of what Talk Fusion has to offer all of us.
Absolutely. Well, I've been online now for about 13 years, working in the internet marketing field as well as the network marketing field. Have spent quite a bit of time doing affiliate marketing, AdWords marketing, article marketing. Really got into blogging several years ago, and then into syndication. But Talk Fusion came along. I got involved 18 months ago. The company will be 3 years old in July, and it's a very powerful company that has kind of evolved from a video email company into what I really am calling a social media video company. It really allows an individual or a company to brand themselves. And as a blogger, that's a big deal, to be able to fully brand yourself. And really for anybody that's trying to market themselves in any position online, the ability to use video to market yourself, video email, video blogs, video conferencing, and to really take that and then be able to mold it around what your brand is. And that's what attracted me really to where we're headed with Talk Fusion right now. Social media and online video are probably two of the biggest trends that have ever come along in our lifetimes. And Talk Fusion has really positioned themselves to take advantage of both the social media side and the online video side and combine them together to allow small businesses, large businesses, entrepreneurs, bloggers, the whole nine yards to be able to capitalize on those two trends.
Well, I have to be honest, I was skeptical, but, I was very impressed with an interview you did with a woman named Beverly. I got enough information to say, hey, I need to take a closer look at this. And just really up front, I'm very passionate about my primary company, but I saw an opportunity to brand myself individually, which I want to do anyway. And I saw an opportunity to also help me promote my primary company, which I thought was awesome because it's a legitimate product, a very high quality, and there's a number of products. And also you mentioned online marketers, but it's also really great for just the average consumer, right, Scott? Someone that just wants to stay in touch with family. Share a few of the examples of how you would use this if you're just an average person that wants to stay in touch with their family.
It is a product that will allow you, when you take the whole suite, to work with your family, to work with businesses. As far as family, the ability to do a video conference and say you have family all over the country and it's a holiday and everybody to be on a screen, actually able to see each other, communicate. It's come so much farther than getting on the phone and just talking. The ability to see grandkids, see grandparents, have a group of people get together. That's powerful in itself. The ability, like Father's Day is coming up, and I'm not going to be with my father on Father's Day this year because I'm going to be hanging out with my son. But we'll be able to do a Father's Day video of the family and send it off to my dad on a beautiful Father's Day template and really give it, some real pizzazz, something that will light up his day. Cards are cool, but there's nothing like video to really bring somebody into the moment.
Exactly.
And that's why we say be part of the moment.
help them feel like they're there with you, which is the beauty of video anyway. It's so exciting. Well, so we're really here for the consumer and the small business or medium-sized business, even large corporations. In fact, the company's been around for a while, right? And it's just now launching into these new markets. And it's really affordable, isn't it? It seems like it's like barely a cup of coffee a day, if that.
Well, that's one of the things that is so amazingly, about this company is the fact that, somebody can start this as a business or as a consumer for under $200 for all 7 of our products combined into one nice package, and they can run it for as little as $20 a month. So it is affordable all the way to the corporate level, to the individual level. I like to tell people, hey, it's strong enough for Fortune 500 companies and so easy that a grandma can use it.
I love it. And I want to do a disclaimer here. I probably should have done this at the beginning of this video. This is ooVoo, which is a great service, isn't it? But it's not TalkFusion. And by the way, in about a month or so, right, TalkFusion's going to have video conferencing. You want to share a little bit of the details on that?
It's going to be a cutting edge video conferencing service. Like we're doing this on ooVoo right now, but TalkFusion will allow for up to 10 users on the same screen, whiteboarding, chatting on the side, presentations. You'll literally be able to hold a virtual meeting instead of, again, like using something like Skype where you can just talk or 1 or 2 people like we're doing right here can do an interview. You'll literally be able to hold a large meeting or a video presentation where you can have an audience that's watching that presentation. And again, all of this at the Fortune 500 level quality for as little as $20 a month.
See, that's totally unbelievable. You're making this affordable for everybody. So for me, my primary motivation is to brand myself individually and support my primary business. However, I understand that you guys are going global, which is a bit of an opportunity in and of itself. It seems like, Scott, you want to share with us the fact that there is another benefit to getting involved with TalkFusion? Are you rewarded for sharing this with people?
Absolutely. The other benefit is while we have a very strong product, we also offer a very strong home-based business. We've just expanded an office into India. We're going viral in the United States and throughout the world. And for those individuals that are online or offline that are looking for an additional source of income, we offer an opportunity for a home-based business with, again, 2 of the hottest trends we've ever seen, social media and online video. And when you combine those together and show somebody a business that they can start for under $200 and they can run for as little as $20 a month, it is an amazing opportunity.
Oh my God, Scott, that's just, you're blowing my mind a little bit here. I just want you to know that, you took someone, I was a big skeptic, and you took me from that to possibility, and I can see how it's so seamless to support me in what I'm already doing. That's what I love about it. But we all can use multiple income streams, right? Especially in this day and age. And why not? So I understand that the compensation plan structure is very lucrative, and we don't need to get into the details on that now, but just know that that's available to people. So just to summarize, this is geared to the consumer, just someone that wants to stay in touch with family, small business owner, online business networkers, and you don't have to be a technical person, right? Anyone can use this. It's easy point and click.
This is a very, very easy product to use.
Wow. If I can use it, anyone can use it. I love it. Well, I just want to again thank you for your time. We're really looking at keeping this under 10 minutes, so I think this is enough information to let people know whether they want to take a closer look. Feel free to check out the link below this video when we get it posted on the blog, and we'll also be sending this out to people that we know as well that could benefit from these services. Scott, you rock. And by the way, as far as any kind of business support, he's awesome. He's Johnny on the spot, but his name's Scott. And you just really your customer service is outrageous. Everyone prays to work with someone like you, Scott. So thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
And you just have a fabulous day.